Hello guys, welcome again to Car Therapy channel. Today in this episode we're gonna retrofit the power folding mirror to Audi RS5. Here we have our replacement mirrors and a mirror switch which we're gonna install today. Yellow dots are rough position of the screws and the red ones are position of the clips which holds the door card. Let's remove the door card first. Okay, customer wants to keep the black cover, so we need to replace this one for the new mirrors, and then we can fit the new mirrors back into the car. Be very careful while prying the mirror out, because you may crack it, or especially when it's auto dimming, you need to be very careful. Also, just make sure that you don't pull the heating element cables out, because that's gonna be problematic later on. And now it's just a matter of unbolting few bolts and prying everything gently out to get the mirror cover out of the old mirrors and replace them in a new mirror units.
and that's the whole mirror changed.
Now you can refit the new mirror unit. Just remember about feeding the wires through the correct holes. Make sure that the foam cover is nice and tight and the bolts are secure. Now we're gonna replace the old adjuster switch. Now we can put everything back together. Just remember about plugging everything in, including the door handle wire, because later on you may not be able to open the door from inside. Don't ask me how I know that. You might have realized that by now, but I will have to remove everything just because I forgot to plug one plug, which is responsible for whole electronics from the door switches, and I had little problems with the mirror, so I had to remove it and refit it. Just to confirm that power folding mirror is working, unlocking and switching the ignition on, also using the mirror adjuster. And now just rinse and repeat it on the other side. Here I'm just confirming that both of the mirrors are working, and I've got one of the new mirrors inside of the car, just to make sure, because I had problems with the other side while the passenger side hasn't been plugged in. I didn't record the removal of the mirror cover on the passenger side because it's exactly the same process as the other one, and it took ages. Here I'm just checking that power folding mirror is working. I have done the coding prior to fitting the mirrors because I had to check if the module actually will accept the coding. So everything has been already done prior to any fitting. All what left to do is refit everything, make sure everything is plugged in and working as it should. I completely forgot to record the outro, so thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.